This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Come take a look at this ideal family home in Suffolk. The living room is perfect for entertaining with an open floor plan, new flooring throughout, and a gas fireplace to cuddle up with a cup of coffee in the evenings. Upstairs are 4 spacious bedrooms for personal space for each family member. The massive backyard is perfect for family activities and fun in the sun. This wonderful community includes amenities like a pool, playgrounds, clubhouse, and paths. This home is conveniently located to shopping bases and restaurants. For more information, review the details below.